With mixed numbers, we will basically tackle the whole number part and then the fraction part. It's the easiest way to handle these. So number 9, we have 7 plus 1 as the whole number part. As the fraction part, we have no fraction and a half. 7 plus 1 is 8. The fraction is a half. In number 10, the whole numbers are 4 minus 3. The fractions are a fourth minus a fourth. 4 minus 3 is 1. A fourth minus a fourth is 0. So we have no fraction part in our final answer. Our final answer is 1. In number 11, our whole number part is 1 minus 0. Our fraction part is a third minus a third. 1 minus 0 is 1. A third minus a third is nothing, so no fraction part in our answer. Another whole number of 1. In number 12, our whole number part is 1 plus 0. Our fraction part is 1/6 plus 5/6. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1/6 plus 5/6 is 6/6, which is the whole number 1. 1 and 1 combine to make 2. Now, number 13. We can try to do 3 minus 1 for the, or sorry, not minus 1, 3 minus 0 for the whole numbers, and 1/7 minus 2/7 for the fractions. But the problem with this is we get 3, no problem. We get negative 1/7. That's a problem. In the previous 4 problems, I've just been able to put together the whole number part and the fraction part because they were always the same sign. They were always positive. But here, that's not the case. So I'm going to need to tackle this in a slightly different way. Now you've got 2 options. The first option is to stack these up for vertical subtraction and go, okay, I cannot do 2/7 away from 1/7. So I have to borrow from the 3. The 3 drops down to a 2. And I'm adding to the 1/7. But when I do that, the 1/7 becomes 8/7. And why is that? Why would 1/7 become 8/7 and not 11/7? Well, we have 1/7. To that, we're adding the whole number 1. Well, 1 can be thought of as anything over itself. And most usefully here, that would be 7/7. That way I'm looking at 2 fractions with the same denominator. And 1 plus 7 makes the 8. Now we could do this. 8/7 minus 2/7 is 6/7. 2 minus nothing is 2. 2 and 6/7. So that's one option. That's borrowing with fractions. The other option is to convert 3 and 1/7 into its improper form and then come back. So when we multiply 7 times 3, we get 21. When we add 21 and 1, we get 22/7. So we have 22/7 minus 2/7. Now this is normal subtraction, so that's going to be 20/7. How many times can you take 7 away from 20? Twice. That's a value of 14. When you take 14 from 20, what is left? 6. So there's my 2 and 6/7 again. You can do either method, it doesn't matter. And you only have to do this if trying to subtract doesn't work. So the fraction part of the second term in subtraction is larger than the fraction part in the first term. Finally, today we have 4 and 5/6 minus 1 and 5/6. The fractions are identical, so we're not going to have any issues. We can just tackle this as 4 minus 1 And 5/6 minus 5/6, that's 3 and 0 for a final value of 3.